In case you're not satisfied with default colors of the highlighting, we can easily redefine those colors. And in this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to do this. So firstly, I'm going to add a comment in here, which means that everything that comes after this line pertains to vscode-multi-cursor plugin. So basically, to redefine any color, we can use the following method, Neovim set hl. And to know which colors we can override when it comes to vscode-multi-cursor plugin, we just can scroll down to the very bottom of this page, where we can find a couple of highlights. And those are the names that we can use to override colors. I have already prepared colors that I would like to assign, so I'm basically going to use those names and write the following in order to override colors. Here I'm assigning color to the background of the selection, as well as color of the text of the highlighted region. And I'm gonna do the same and override another color vscode-cursor range. In this case, I'm gonna use the same colors. And now to see if it worked, we have to reload VS Code for these changes to take effect. And let's highlight some regions. From now on, everything that we are going to highlight by using the shortcuts of VS Code-multi-cursor extension will be highlighted in such purple color, which better matches my current color theme. But what about Flash integration? As you may remember, in one of the previous lessons we have installed a plugin called Flash, which allows us to quickly add highlighting to certain characters by pressing MCS, or certain words by pressing MCW. In this case, as you can see, colors have not been changed. And the only color that has changed is the color of the highlight, which appears after we'll press certain character. But to be able to change colors of the Flash plugin itself, we have to configure it separately. So let's copy this chunk of code for overriding the color right here. And to know which colors Flash plugin allows us to customize, we have to take a look at its page on GitHub. And in here we can see a list of all available colors that we can override. I will redefine a couple of colors from this list, particularly color called Flash Label. All the color codes I have already prepared up front, so I'll simply use it in here. And let's redefine a couple more colors in the same way. The second color name will be Flash Match. Let's change its code. And finally, the third color is called Flash Current. And I'm picking all those color names from the list on the Flash documentation page. So to see the result, we have to reload VS Code. I'm going to press MCS to activate mode to highlight certain characters. And right away we're seeing that those colors were changed, which I think better match my current color theme. So by now we have reviewed most of the things which VS Code-multi-cursor plugin offers us. We have seen how to use default keyboard shortcuts, how to override them, how to override colors, and we have even reviewed how to do Flash integration with this plugin. So we have covered quite a bit of things. Link to the repository with the final configuration file will be in the video description. I hope it was helpful. With that, we are finishing this series.